SQL queries can become unreadably nested. Common table expressions are the solution. A common table expression, or CTE, is a temporary named result set created with the with keyword. You give it a name, write a select inside parentheses, and reference that name in your main query like any other table. Here is the syntax on screen. Notice how the CTE is defined before the main select statement. CTEs make complex queries readable by breaking them into named, logical steps, each with a clear purpose. You can even chain multiple CTEs in one with clause, each building on the previous. Critically, a CTE only lives for the duration of that query. Once execution ends, it vanishes. No rows are saved anywhere. CTEs also support recursion, essential for hierarchical data like org charts or file systems. A recursive CTE has two parts joined with union all. The anchor member defines the starting rows, and the recursive member joins back to the CTE itself. This repeats until no new rows are produced. Compared to subqueries, CTEs are reusable and far more readable. Compared to temporary tables, they need no setup. No create, no drop, just inline logic that disappears when the query finishes. A CTE is a temporary named query block using with, improving readability and enabling recursion, all within a single query execution. Try one today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.